Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can install apps on Xbox Series S or X. So you see these lists of options here at the top. You want to click on the first one, not that one. You want to go to the store, the second one. And basically we want to search for some apps now. So I'm going to go to the menu and I'm going to select apps, and I'm going to select entertainment apps for an example. And let's just say I want let's just say I want this Dolby app right here, or let's just say Spotify. So just click on the app and then it'll download it basically automatically. So sorry, you just click on get and then it'll download onto your console. Some apps have a price tag, but this one is actually free. So if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to this channel.